Hi everyone, I'm Henric Loewen and I'm going to show you how to select a Forex Automated Trading System. First click on my link to get the ZuluTrade. In order to go to see the trading systems, click on Performance. The trading systems are sorted in descending order, so the best system according to ZuluTrade is on the top. The first criteria for evaluating a Forex Automated Trading System is the number of trades. We need more than 100 trades for the performance of the system to be statistically valid. I also look for a trading system which has traded for more than 30 weeks. The second criteria is the most important, and that is the system drawdown. Most newbies focus on profit, but it is the drawdown or risk that will wipe out your account. If there's no money in your account, it will be difficult to make any trades, and of course, a profit. Personally, I prefer a drawdown to be less than 40%. If you can find Forex automated strategies with less than 20%, then that's fantastic. The third criteria we'll look into is the number of winning trades. Don't choose a system with less than 35% winning trades. That might sound low, but professional traders mostly range between 35 and 50% profitable trades. Before we go any further, you also have to take a look at the profit, of course. The first one listed has a small drawdown, but the profit is also small. Down here at number 3, we have very good earnings, but also higher drawdown and risk. When you look at the profit, you have to remember that it is total earnings during the period the Forex automated system has been running. The profit must be divided by the number of weeks to get average earnings per week. Otherwise, you're comparing apples with oranges. Now click on one of the providers, like this one. Let's look closer at statistics. The equity curve in this case looks fairly good. It's straight with one plateau and a large drawdown. The monthly performance, on the other hand, is not so good. As you can see, it's very uneven. Preferably, a steady flow of monthly earnings are best, with perhaps a month or two with small losses. The pairs tab might seem unimportant, but this provider only trades British pound, Japanese yen. I recommend that you select 3 providers, if you can, to smoothen out the total profit. The providers you choose should trade different pairs with low correlation. In the next tab, we see the drawdown. We have one big drawdown with several smaller. The slippage tab shows us how much slippage each broker generates trading this Forex automated system. AAAFX is the lowest, and if you go through many of the top providers, you will notice that most of the time AAAFX is in the lowest. I strongly recommend you trade with AAAFX, especially if the provider is using this data. Do not take unnecessary risk. In closing, I would like to point out the necessary minimum equity. This gives you a good indication of how much money you need to fund your account with. To be on the safe side, I would put in another 30%, or say in this case here, $500. Okay, that's it. Thank you for listening.